Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to recover your Gmail account using forget password option. If you've lost access to your Gmail or can't remember your password, don't worry, we'll get you sorted out. So firstly, you have to open the settings app in your phone. Search for an option saying account and click on it. Once you open the account option, scroll down until you see an option saying add account and click on it. Now simply click on Google option. Then you will be redirected to Google sign in page where you have to enter the email whose password you are about to recover. Once you have entered the email address, click on the next option. Now simply click on the forgot password option. After that, a verification code will be sent to the backup email address which you have to enter on the text box. After entering the verification code which has arrived on your backup email address, click on the next option and simply click on continue option. Now, when we open our Gmail app and click on the profile icon, we can see our email address already logged in, so click on it. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Gmail account using the forget password option. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.